Hello, I'm Terry Ragon, CEO and founder of InterSystems. Welcome and thank you for attending our virtual summit. I hope we'll be able to resume in-person meetings in the near future. I miss the personal interactions, as do many of us. The last year and a half have certainly been difficult for everyone, but in some ways I've also found it invigorating. I deeply believe we exist to help our clients, and helping our clients has been critically important. I'd also like to tell you how proud I am of our staff. They have risen to the challenge of helping you while, at the same time, continuing to focus on creating exciting new technology. That hasn't been easy, and it's a testament to their dedication to you and your success. It is also an invigorating time because it has created an increasing openness of people to new ideas and new ways of doing things. It's created an opening for people to be more innovative, and I'm excited to see how that will transform our business. We've been fortunate to grow both last year and this year, and to attract new clients. I owe that success to you. Thank you. Today I'd like to speak with you about how to drive greater value from your data and how to add additional capabilities without disturbing existing systems. There was a time not long ago when having an operational system and perhaps a data warehouse with month-old data was sufficient to be competitive. In most industries, that is no longer true. Today, people need greater insights from their data that can optimize decisions and drive immediate action. The companies that are more successful in doing so have a major competitive advantage. People talk about data a lot, but really it is the insights that can be gleaned that are important. The purpose of computing is insight, not numbers. The increased power and lower cost of computing has made it possible to amass large quantities of data. And that has led many people to ask, what data is useful? How do you consume and organize that data? How do you create a platform that enables adopting new analytic technologies as they become available? And how do you enable new capabilities without disturbing existing systems? Let's start with what analytics means. Analytics is the scientific process of discovering and communicating meaningful patterns which can be found in data. Many people are used to thinking of analytics as simply queries and reporting with, perhaps, some statistical analysis. But today there are many more forms of analytics. As examples, a medical MRI scan requires processing of raw data to produce useful images. AI can then be applied to those images to produce patient diagnoses, and the monitoring of transactions can lead to alerts that indicate the need to take immediate action. These are all examples of applying different types of analytics, and there's more on the way. It's important to be prepared to adopt these new analytic techniques as they are created. Now, all of these insights are important, but you may not be able to directly drive them from your operational databases without major changes. Furthermore, attempting to do so may produce unacceptable performance. So how can you create an environment in which these insights can be obtained and allow for the future evolution of analytics? One simple approach is to provide real-time data feeds of transactions from your operational systems and other sources to a unified record database, which can then provide a consolidated view across your enterprise. Now, this is different from the traditional data warehouse in that the unified record is always up to date. While this may sound simple, in practice, it often is not. There are likely different sources with different views of the data and different standards, and their formats may not be usable. Thus, the need for systems that are capable of understanding and transforming data before passing it on to the unified database, a process we call providing clean data or healthy data. These data hubs often forward data to multiple systems, each with its own desired transformation and its own analytical capabilities. For example, there may be a variety of departmental systems, each with different needs and different data. And of course, there may also be multiple data hubs with information flowing in from or out to other enterprises, creating community-wide views of data. So where do you provide analytical capabilities and additional applications? At every step. Analytics and additional applications can be usefully applied at each data hub, at the unified record database, and at every location to which data is forwarded. Furthermore, it is easy to add new analytic capabilities as future advances in analytics occurs. Analyzing for purposes of triggering alerts for immediate action is often best done at the data hub. Analytics at a unified record database is an excellent location for providing analytics on consolidated views of the data. And of course, each destination system may provide a completely different range of analytics for specialized purposes. This model not only allows the introduction of sophisticated analytics at each location, it also allows the introduction of important new application capabilities without disturbing existing systems. And this model enables excellent scalability. So really what's needed at every location is a complete platform that provides messaging, database, analytics, and programming capabilities. That is, each location needs a data platform. In the coming days, we will be talking with you about many things, including how to provide more advanced analytics and gain greater insights. Of course, ultimately, at the core of success is trust. You need to be able to trust your data, trust your insights, and trust your partners. Of course, trust in a partner needs to be earned. And that's something we strive to do every day. As I said earlier, we understand that we are here to serve you and help you be more successful. For those of you who have been clients for many years, I thank you for your business, and I thank you for your trust. For those of you who are not clients, I hope we have the opportunity to serve you in the future. Thank you.